2,749 TB patients is the target that you and I have. It's not you have, we have.
Ka-Office Jungle Mission Director National Health Mission Hakapo Pratri Udaber Kalara K World Tuberculosis Day Araja Pulai Balapelong House Sutam Auditorium Bakapang Padeng Kalong Yes We Can End TB Habakran Hakaniga Singi Commentary Katanat Kakoy Kakya Kakong Ampareen Lyngdoh Kalaya Toba Ginong TB Hapokajala Gidan Kumba Araja Neospa Sapokandangon Paday Tangkajinga Trilang Balaban Pindu Jat Yakaniga Jingpang Nakaliang katanat kakoy kakya kalay kusnam shigi katu kaniki district Kiba bante lakam ya kanika Jingpang bat kumjuru ya katanat di IPR bagashilong press club kumkila bathai kibalong Pyrshah balbanai jingtip shigi paitba
Hitim ne air bakari India jungi kanong kabani kongdu hakajingpon jong kani kajingpang TV Angul Hibril mantalay minit kiyap na kani kajingpang Kadban, report Al-Hajjat Al-Kuwait dan 6.2 million di badan yung kanyang Jingpang TV hasatlap kaperten.
Nis at menit baninyo kriyan. Ombang banbang, ombang bandi. Habak hidang niya iya iniidak isin, day banlag ni sa hidakas tuman.
I cannot do it alone. But with all of your help and all of your collaboration and cooperation, I would like to see the tenure of my ministership in the Health and Family Welfare Department to yield the correct results. I forgot to thank the one person, Dr. Mauri. Thank you, sir, for your tremendous efforts. Dr. Andreas, amazing efforts. I literally speak to Dr. Andreas at least every day, if not every second day. And despite the pressure that we put you under, it is with one intent. The intention is, let's together work. Let's shake the system a bit. It may hurt some of our egos. It may make us wonder, who is this one person? Who the hell does she think she is? But let me tell you, it doesn't matter who I am. I have been elected by my people to sit in this position and to try and see whether we can achieve all of these things that you have so beautifully presented in your presentation. 2,749 TB patients is the target that you and I have. It's not you have, we have. We need to try and check this total, try and see whether we can reduce it further. And I am sure that if each of us put in all our sincerest efforts, there is no reason why we should not be able to achieve. The district doctors, so nice to meet you. So happy to see that you come to a stage to collect a reward. That reward is symbolic of the appreciation that not just the government of Meghalaya has of your work, but also the government of India has of your work. We can keep collecting these laurels and display them in our offices or places of work.
Congratulations.